Hey everyone, welcome to another After Effects tutorial. Today we are creating cinematic action title effect, like this. So let's start it. First create a new comp 1920 by 1080, 30 frames per second. Change comp name, main comp. Then create another new comp called Scene 1. Now create a new solid background layer. And search ramp effect and apply on it. Change ramp shape, radial ramp. And also change both color as you like. Then select text tool and type any text which you want. Align your title center of the comp. Now, go to project window and drag texture image into timeline, below the text layer. Go to toggle and switches, and change track matte none to alpha matte. Now you can see our text has metal texture. Now create a new solid layer. And search optical flares. You can download this official video copilot website. Apply this effect on solid layer and change mode normal to screen. I have also given pre-render flare link in description. Then go to option and choose streak lens flares. And click OK. Move flares center point center of the text. Change brightness around 30. And scale around 80. Now we can add wiggle expression on brightness. Wiggle open parentheses 3,20 close parentheses. Now go to project window, and drag particle footage into timeline, below the metal texture image. Change mode normal to screen. Now drag optical flare footage into the timeline, also change mode normal to screen. Hit T for opacity and change opacity around 50%. Now, select the text layer and pre-comp them, and change name text 1. Now drag footage 3 into the timeline, and also change mode normal to the screen. Adjust the footage as you like. Now select text 1 pre-comp layer, and search optics compensation effect and apply on it. Check reverse lens distortion, and change field of view around 140 and add a keyframe. Then go to few frames forward and change amount 0%. It's look good to me. Now create an adjustment layer. Then search curves effects. And apply on it. Now change curves as you like. I am just showing you example. You are free to do whatever you want. Now select text 1 comp layer and duplicate them and move the layer below the metal texture layer. And change named shadow. then search Fill Effect and apply on it. And change Fill Color White. Then search Fast Blur and apply. Check Repeat Edge Pixels, and blurriness around 70%. Then go to Toggle Switches Mode and select Shadow, Metal Texture, Text 1 and Optical Flares, Solid Layer and convert into 3D Layer. And also turn on the visibility on Shadow Layer. Now move the Y position of Shadow Layer. And also scale the Y position. If your shadow not looking good, so increase the blurriness. Select Shadow Layer and hit T for opacity, change opacity around 50%. Now create a new camera. I am using 35mm preset camera. Then create a null layer. And parent camera with null layer. Then go to first frame of the timeline, also convert null layer into 3D layer, hit P for position, move Z position around 2000%. Then go to few frames forward and change Z position 0%. Select last keyframe and ease them. Go to Graph Editor and make your graph like this. If you think your animation does not look as you like, you can move these keyframes anytime. Perfect. Now go to the main composition, then drag Scene 1 comp into timeline. Then go to again Project window, and duplicate Scene 1 comp. Also duplicate Text 1 comp. Then drag Scene 2 comp into timeline, double-click to open it, and select Text 1 layer. Then go to Project window and replace Text 1 comp with Text 2 comp, by pressing and hold Alt key. Now double-click to open Text 2 layer and change Action Title name with any name whatever you like, align text center of the comp. Then go to Scene 2 and select Shadow Layer, and scale them according to our text. Perfect, it's look good to me. Now go to Main Comp, and move Scene 2 comp where our Scene 1 comp animation has stopped. You can also turn on motion blur both comp. Our animation has done. Hit 0 for render. Thanks for watching. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please share it, like it, and subscribe our channel. For more tutorial, I'll see you in the next video.